We are taking R.D. Sharma solution class 12 chapter 19. Exercises 19.30 indefinite integrals. Now we have integration of 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square multiplied by x plus 3. Now many questions which are following of exactly this type. So you need to understand it very carefully. Now we have 3x minus 2. Normally people would think that this x plus 1 whole square can be written as x plus 1 into x plus 1. We have x plus 3 also here. So this can be easily written as, in normal sense, we have 3a, b, c as the constants. X plus 1, then x plus 1 and x plus 3 in the denominator. This is the way to do it, but this is not the correct way because x plus 1 whole square is a quadratic equation. This is a wrong approach. What is the correct approach? So let's call it as I, and then we are going to convert it into the partial fraction form. So this 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square and x plus 3 in the denominator. This will be written like this. This is the core of these questions and the questions following. This will be A, then we have B. A will have x plus 1 in the denominator, B will have x plus 1 whole square in the denominator, and then we have C, which is C divided by x plus 3. So this is how this kind of question will be approached. Now take the LCM. So we have A along with, let's take the LCM first. So we have x plus 1 whole square multiplied by x plus 3. With A, x plus 1 will come and x plus 3 will be there. With B, x plus 1 square is already there. So C, with B, it will be x plus 3. And then along with C, it will be x plus 1 whole square. On the left, it will be 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square and x plus 3. Denominator you can cancel. So this equation I am writing again. 3x minus 2 will be equal to a into x plus 1 into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 3 and plus c into x plus 1 whole square. Now, if you put, as in previous 26 questions we have done, if you put x equals to negative 1, this will disappear, this will disappear, b you will get. But when you put x equals to negative 3, this will vanish and this will vanish, c you will get. How about a? From where are we going to get a? That's an issue. So we need to multiply this word and then we will equate these similar terms coefficient. So multiplying x plus 1 and x plus 3, it will give you x square plus 4x plus 3. So a multiplied by this one. Then we have bx plus 3b. X plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 plus 2x. So multiply it with c. So cx square plus c plus 2cx. So when you multiply inside ax square plus 4ax plus 3a plus bx plus 3b and then cx square plus c plus 2cx. So on the left we have no x square term, so 0x square, 3x and negative 2. Now let's compare. So we have a plus c with x square. This we have used. Then we have 4a plus b. This plus 2c. This is the x term and then the constant. So we have 3a plus c. So there is a slight change, 3b will also come. Now 0x square plus 3x minus 2. Now let's equate. So a plus c will be equal to 0. 4a plus b plus 2c. So this will be equal to, on the left you see 3. And 3a plus c plus 3b will be equal to negative 2. Now take a equals to minus c. Put it in the other two equations. There will be b and c and solve those equations. I hope you will be able to solve this. This is very simple linear equation solving. So now we have a, b and c. I hope that you have computed that. So the partial fraction will be something like this. A will come as 11 by 4. B will be negative 5 by 2 and C will be negative 11 by 4. So A divided by x plus 1 whole square. Oh no, x plus 1. The next will be x plus 1 whole square. And then minus, because negative 5 by 2 has come in place of b, negative 5 by 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square. And then we have c, which is negative 11 by 4 divided by x plus 3. Now I'll take this outside. If we are integrating this constant can be taken out. We will integrating dx divided by x plus 1. Then minus 5 by 2 here. Integration of 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx minus 11 by 4. Integration of dx divided by x plus 3. So this 11 by 4, I'm writing first and the third together. That means we'll take the third one later. So 11 by 4 log x plus 1 minus 11 by 4 log x plus 3. Don't combine them. means log A minus log B formula don't combine, because 11 by 4 can be taken outside and you'll be tempted to do a log A minus log B. But 1 by x plus 1 whole square integration is negative 1 by x plus 1. How will it come? See, x plus 1 whole square goes up, negative 2 x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 is the integration. So you'll get x plus 1 to the power negative 1 divided by negative 1. So minus 1 by x plus 1 will come. So make it as positive, because negative 1 by x plus 1 will come. Pi by 2 remains here, 1 by x plus 1. So this is your final result. This is the integral final result. Alright. Add a constant integration also. So this was a different kind of questions, but if you have understood this question, the later questions are like this only. So 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 2x minus 3 whole square. How are we going to write this? Let me tell you, because this is the core how to write this. So we can write it like this: a divided by x plus 2, then we have b divided by x minus 3 and plus c divided by x minus 3 whole square. So this is how it will be done. Alright. The equation solving is the key. Again, this is the same one as the 27th and 28th question. So I hope you have understood the 27th question, and this is the way you can solve it. Again, it's more easier than the previous ones. It just has x in the numerator. Again, straightforward question. You can try it by yourself. Same here. So you can do it. Let me tell you, there are 60 to 70 questions in this exercise. So if we don't pass certain questions, it will take whole life. Just exaggerating. Okay, now this again has the same steps to be followed as we discussed. Don't worry, we are not going to leave all of them. Anything which needs explanation, we are going to discuss that. And this question, now this seems to be a different kind of questions, but let me write it. How to write this? The integration will be something like this. We have 2x square plus 7x minus 3 divided by x square. This x square is the main key here. 2x plus 1 you already know how to write in the partial fraction form. So a divided by x plus b divided by x squared. A divided by x plus b divided by x squared plus c divided by 2x plus 1. Now again 60-70 questions, so we have to skip certain question. Now this question, now it seems to be different, but with certain simple steps you will see that it will look like as if you have already done it. Let's see the denominator. This is x cube plus 2x square plus x. You can take x outside, so we have x square plus 2x plus 1. Now this x square plus 2x plus 1 is simply x plus 1 whole square. That is x into x plus 1 whole square it is. From here to here, this 5x square plus 20x plus 6 divided by x cube plus 2x square plus x. And this will be written like this. So a divided by x plus b divided by x plus 1 and then c divided by x plus 1 whole square. Take the LCM now. X and x plus 1 whole square will come. Now with a, x plus 1 whole square. Then we have b. So x and x plus 1 will come. And then with c, x will come. On the left, we have already converted it into x plus 1 whole square. So you can write it like this. So 5x square plus 20x plus 6 divided by x into x plus 1 whole square. You can cancel the denominator. Please remember x equals to negative 1 and x equals to 0. You can solve it like this, but you will be left with the same procedure which has to be adopted later. That is, you have to multiply everything and compare the left and right similar terms. It means that a x plus 1 whole square is, we have already seen that x square plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square. So write it like this. B x into x plus 1 will be x square plus x. So bx square plus bx will come. Then we have cx. So multiply this, ax square plus 2ax plus a plus bx square plus bx plus cx. Now combine the similar terms. That is with a similar order. So a plus b with x square. Then take the term with x. So 2a plus b plus c will come. X plus a. Constant is only a. Now it will make it very easy because constant is just one term. So when you compare it with 5x square plus 20x plus 6, all the coefficients, that is 5, 20 and 6, a has come as 6. Now take this a, put it in the first equation, a plus b equals to 5. Second equation will be 2a plus b plus c equals to 20. A is already 6. So 6 plus b equals to 5. B you will get as negative 1. Now put it here. 2 into 5 2 into 6 minus 1 plus c equals to 20. So 6 to the 12. 12 and minus 1, that is 11, and it goes there. 20 minus 11 is 9. So C has come as 9. Now we'll put in place of A 6, then we'll integrate. In place of B, we'll put negative 1, integrate. In place of C, we'll write 9, integrate. This all along with dx. So let's do it formally. So integration will come like this. 6 integration of dx by x. Negative 1 was there, so minus dx by x plus 1, and then c came to be 9, so 9 integration of dx by x plus 1 whole square. Integration of x plus 1 whole square in the denominator is negative 1 by x plus 1, which we have done in the question number 27 or the earlier question. It's just will be done with integration of dx by x square form. So 6 log modulus of x, log base e, you can call it as ln or log base e. So 6 log x minus log modulus of x plus 1, and then we have a negative 9 and x plus 1 whole square integrated, which will form negative 1 by x plus 1, which we have already written. Now if you want to do that log x raised 6, then log a minus log b, you can do that, but it's not required here. So just see it here and witness and notice that we have done the same thing, just one trick, that is putting x cube plus 2x square plus x as x into x plus 1 whole square, which is the whole important key of this question. Now this seems to be a typical question, but I'll just write how you have to proceed. 18 divided by x plus 2, that is x plus 2 will be regarded as a divided by x plus 2. Then x square plus 4, x square plus 4 will be bx plus c. So you have to have a quadratic equation in the denominator. For that you need bx plus c in the numerator, and then find out abc and then put it and integrate it. Now let me show you how it will be done. Any question or different form, we will definitely do it. Now this I leave it to you. It's also equating or is similar to the previous questions. The same here, it's easier than the previous one. I hope that this is clear to you. If not, you need to revisit the questions we have already attempted and solved. So this is the 1 by 1 plus x square plus x cube. Now this seems to be a typical question, different question, but you will see with one trick or one proper arrangement, you can easily solve it. So this is dx by x plus 1 into x square plus 1. We have already done this question, or I have showed you the reference of this. So this will be done like this: a by x plus 1 and bx plus c by x square plus 1. This I already told you. Now why I am telling you this, you will be asking that this question is different. Why are you telling me all this? You will see just now. This question will ultimately boil down to this kind of equation only, or this kind of integration only. So 1 plus x is already there. I am taking the denominator. Take the x square out of x square plus x cube. So 1 plus x will remain. So 1 plus x, if you take outside, 1 plus x square will be there. Now what do you see? 1 plus x. Let me write the integral first. You will see the similarity. Integration of dx divided by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square you can write, or you can write x plus 1 into x square plus 1. Whichever way you write, the approach remains the same. So is it matching? Yes. Of course it's matching. So it's x plus 1, x square plus 1, and I already told you how to write it. A divided by x plus 1 plus bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. So this is how you are going to go about it. If you find any problem, just let me know. This question is somewhat different. It's not very different, but it has combined two things together. So we'll solve it. Alright.